just done a bit more on this outdoor back kitchen thing, outbuilding, washroom thing, whatever you call it, can't remember. And I thought I'd film it, or film it a bit anyway. I've just emptied the stone pile, which was a bit more stone than I thought it might be. Probably a ton of stone there. A very, very full bucket, about 10 barrow loads, 12 barrow loads. So, well, that's that. And I've done a bit of digging, taken a few bricks up, done a bit of digging around the back, and I'll show you. I'm about to sink. Well, the whole reason I started messing around here a month or 6 weeks ago was to put a drain in, put a gully in. So I've just started doing that. I've dug onto the existing drain. Bear with me at the point. Dug onto the existing drain that goes underneath this temporary door. So I dug that on, and I've got a new gully there. Downpipe, I don't know if you can see there, runs to the gully, and that is going to be teed into the existing drain there, and then I'm going to relay bricks on top. So I would say film me, and you can watch me battle drainage. It's always a pain trying to tee onto drainage. It's easier if it's all new. This is about 5 years old, 10 years old or something, so it's pretty new. Well, I say new, it's not that old, it's not clay and stuff, so it should be all right. So I started digging, and I thought I'd best film it, because I haven't done any filming for a bit, so we'll try. Right, I'll set it on the tripod, and you can watch me at, well, I say hard at work, digging, manually, unfortunately. Right, see you in a bit. done. So that's that corner done for this year. Only a little project, but it's a bit tidier than it was. I'll take you back up, spin you around in there again. Got these 2 manholes here to finish. And that's that. Thanks for watching, and when I get back on this, when I buy my bricks, I'll carry on with the floor. I'll carry on, maybe next year, maybe the year after, whatever. Thanks for watching, see you next time.